What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. Right now, I'm in the car with the wife. We in the Durango. We headed to Ultimate Tuning. I dropped off the Phoenix. They put all the parts I had from Vrsf. We got the charge pipes, top mount intercooler, hot side, cold side charge pipes. We got the twin intakes. I also got the crank hub capture bolt. I forgot the name of the company I got it from, but I'll put it down in the description. So what it does is supposed to lock in your crank hub bolt, so that it can't spin out. That's the problem with these cars. You get a lot of catastrophic failures because of that. So we went ahead and put that capture on there to keep it from spinning out. So when we start adding power, we won't have no issues. Hopefully, fingers crossed. You guys know how these S55s are. They're tricky. So I'm anxious to see the car. I'm anxious to hear how it sounds. We're keeping all the stock parts. Don't know if I might need them in the future or if I'm going to sell them or whatever. So like I said, we're on our way up there now. Can't wait to see the car, drive it. I know I'm going to have some fun with it. But remember, we still got the heat exchanger coming and the catless downpipes. And then we'll be able to take the car to get it tuned. So can't wait to get up here, and we're gonna see what it is. So stay tuned. Let it come up. Any leaks with that or not?
They modified it here, so finally able to. You see the hot struggle in the car pushing it?
Yeah, I saw that on the video.
So we modified that, and so far we're good. We don't have an issue with those pipes. We just have to lift it up, the harness a little bit.
Okay.
That's about it. And we did modify this pipe a little bit.
What was wrong with the charge pipes?
It's just the angle going in.
Okay.
We gotta swap the gasket from the old one.
Okay.
To the new one. They don't come with a gasket.
Okay.
And the J pipe is good. That one's we got no problem. Yeah. So the crank hub, we had to drop the underbottom panel, take the bell out, and take all the bolt out, install a new one. And we took it down to 25 foot count.
Okay.
Yeah, then we do the lap tie on it.
Okay.
To make sure they're not coming out.
Okay.
Yep. And it take us that long to finish.
No. I understand that. That part is crazy.
All day we will be working on this.
This Eric, by the way, this going on the YouTube channel. This is Ultimate Tuning in Rockville. So as you guys see, like you say, did the intakes, did the charge pipes, hot cold side, and then did the crank hub capture down the bottom. So on the crank hub, so and did it pretty fast. Like how long it took you? Like 6 hours? 6-7 hours?
I would say 7 hours.
7 hours? Yeah, that's pretty good. Was there any other issues you found with the car? No.
No.
Okay.
That's only good. A little bit blinking too fast.
Yeah, what is up with that? Somebody told me that was normal. Is that not normal? So you think one of the modules could be about to go out or something?
Yeah.
Because I kind of think that headlight too is brighter. And usually if a headlight is brighter, that means it's about to... Huh?
This is LED headlight.
Okay. So I like sometimes when your ballast or something ready to go out, you want your headlights to go bright, like real bright.
This is LED too. So when this thing go out,
yeah,
we can modify it to different colors.
Okay.
Like
so don't really worry about it.
Yeah, don't worry about
okay.
it. Yeah.
This is up.
Yeah, this is it.
So when I get my heat exchanger and my charge pipes, I guess I'll be coming here.
Yeah.
I mean, not my charge pipes, my heat exchanger and my catless down pipes. Yeah, down pipes.
Yeah, we got it.
And then But where can I get it tuned at? Because you say you don't tune here, right?
We don't tune it here, but we can do the boot mod 3 for you.
You can do the boot mod 3?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I should be getting it in like in the next week, hopefully.
Yeah, we are the authorized dealer for boot mod.
For boot mod?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want, I can hook you up with the price.
Okay. All right. All right, so we about to finish this deal. I'm gonna pay and get up out of here. So I'm gonna jump back in the car afterwards, and then you guys gonna get my reaction to driving.
You need some light.
I know, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, it's so dark.
Fuck it.
How is it?
This one.
It's still so dark.
Don't want my car to blow up.
Nah, it's not dark. You're not far away from here, right?
Nah.
Alright, then you should be fine.
Yeah, I'm only like. Which way should I go?
Go to the right. I'll let you feel the power.
All right, guys, we on a test drive. Just got it back. God dang. This thing is jump loud.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's gonna be even more louder if you put it down high.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super loud.
Right now it's the high flow one.
So right now you probably don't even hear the what do you call it? Backfire.
Yeah.
Because you didn't tune it. So
Right.
when you do the tune, you're gonna feel it.
Okay. It's wicked loud, like. Man, imagine with them catless downpipes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
You can make it right here.
insane. But it definitely feel more juice though. Yeah.
More juice is from the air intake.
Yeah.
So all the stuff you do to it, it just cool the car down more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when I put that heat exchanger on there,
Mm-hmm.
what'd you think? E85 or meth? Which one?
I like E85 more.
Okay.
Yeah. You do the tune, you can feel it. You don't even need to go E85.
I won't.
Yeah. The tune, that's all you need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when the heat exchanger come in, downpipes, I'll just bring it up there.
Yeah.
And then you can tune it.
If you want to go straight again, we can go back here. We can go ahead again.
I love this damn car, man. It's an animal, man. You be sleeping on these BMWs, man. It's straight, right?
You can go straight with. I take you to auto road, so you can test drive. I almost crashed it last
Yeah?
time. Yeah,
The blue one?
M4 CS.
You almost crashed it.
Yeah.
Last night?
No, after I did frame tune to it, so I almost crashed it. That one. That car's expensive.
What was wrong? I mean, what happened to make you almost crash it?
His tire's almost done.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I got the nittos on here.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
Now I learned my lesson. Make sure you have a good tire. Go straight. I don't think you can make it right. Before we make it right, behind the target, there's a strip. Which is good.
Hopefully hit them turbos. Right here?
Yeah. Then you just go straight. Not on this condition.
Yeah.
After the next traffic light, you can hit it.
This is stop sign?
Yeah.
That's fine.
So you know what happened last time, right? So
What?
the cooling fan was not running.
Right.
It was plugged in because I know I did not take it out. So,
But it was just something blocking it.
yeah, because he had to move that one away to get to the equipment.
Okay.
So he didn't put it back right. So it's blocking the fan by turning it. So he used the tool to move it out of the way. And so it's good to go. That's why right now the temperature is pretty good.
What is it, straight?
Yeah, it's straight.
This thing gonna get me in trouble, man.
Can you imagine you have backfire later
Which
on?
way I'm going?
Straight. So that road's like a perfect flat, so you can hit it.
Man. Yeah. This thing, man, is trouble. Trouble.
When you put a stage 2 tune on this thing, that backfire will get you in trouble.
Yeah?
Yeah, that thing's loud. It's like you exhaust. You know what's backfire means? Because before, what do you call it? When they push the exhaust fume out, at that time they spray some gas.
Okay.
So when there's an extra gas in your exhaust pipe, they ignite it in your exhaust pipe.
Okay.
That's the noise coming from. Well, you can have fun for some time, then later on I tune it down for you.
Yeah.
It's bad for the turbo.
Yeah, I don't want that then. I don't want to break my car, man.
It's not gonna break your car. It's just a little bit. You're gonna like it.
I don't want to break it.
It's loud. Shit.
Hey, loud cars save lives.
That's true.
When cars loud, people get the fuck out of the way.
Make it right here.
I'm telling you. You can hear a car before you can see it. You can get out of the way.
Hey, man, this just sound like a Honda to me.
That shit is wicked, man. Oh, shit. I love it. Y'all barely can see me, but I love it. Is it straight?
Make it right.
You can't tell me yours ain't as violent as this.
Mine, it's not that loud, but
Yeah.
a lot more backfire.
Okay.
Yeah.
And a lot more movement. Going straight.
Pull you back.
Yeah.
On the seat.
I'm still getting used to that freaking twin turbo, man. Like, it's different. When it hit, like when you holding the gas pedal and it keep going, like, that's different than the supercharger, you know what I mean?
Yeah, completely different. So that's a thing called anti-lag. So I can set it up for you too on the stage 2. Make it right. Now I show you how to do it too. But anti-lag is extra money
Extra money?
for that. Yeah, you can go YouTube it. What's anti-lag mean?
All right, guys, just gonna wrap this one up. About to head home. The car sounds amazing. It feels amazing. Like he said, when a couple parts come in, the heat exchanger and the down pipes, the catalyst down pipes, he's gonna install it for me. We're gonna put the boot mod tune on here, and the car is gonna be good to go. And it's definitely gonna be more juice. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.